If you want to block Meta-related content like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp on your TikTok, follow this simple guide on your device. First of all, you need to block Meta-related content on TikTok. So open your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you find any content that is related to Meta, simply tap and hold the post and then tap on Not Interested, that is between Report and Save Video option. Once you do that, another thing you can do is, you can go to their profile and then tap on their share button in the top and block it. Now navigate to profile and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy, go to privacy, scroll all the way down and click on sync contacts and Facebook friends and make sure that these switches are toggled off. Again, go to settings and privacy. From here, click on content preferences and then go to filter keywords and add the keywords like Meta, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. Last but not least, you can also try uninstalling the Meta applications such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and other applications that are related to Meta. And now you can use TikTok without distractions from Meta. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.